Hello everyone, I am Anu. In this video, I am going to explain about SMPS. SMPS is abbreviated as Switch Mode Power Supply. This SMPS, as the name suggests it is used to supply power to the electric load um, with the kind of switching action. If you compare with the linear power supply, there is a disadvantages associated with it. In linear power supply, it is bulk in size with the increase in current rating. This disadvantage is overcome by SMPS. In SMPS, SMPS work with high frequency. If the frequency increases, then the size of the transformer decreases. Hence, this SMPS consists of 5 blocks. Those are rectifier at the input side and chopper, transformer, step-down transformer, and rectifier and filter at the output side. Then there is a feedback circuit. The rectifier at the input side convert input AC signal to the constant DC voltage. This is converted into the pulsating DC with the help of chopper, and the transformer is used to convert the high pulsating DC into low pulsating DC. Then again the rectifier and filter which is present at the output side convert this pulsating DC to constant DC output. This output sensor which is present in the feedback circuit senses the output value, and it is compared with this reference, and the isolation is used to protect the feedback circuit from the high current rating at the output. The error value which is obtained at the output of the op amp is given as input to the chopper. This input is used to get a perfect constant output voltage, output DC voltage. If the error value is higher than the present value, then then chopper will try to get into the correct value. So there are some pros and cons with SMPS. These are small in size, produce low noise, and also high efficiency if you consider this advantage. And the disadvantage associated with high complex design and also produces electromagnetic induction. Thank you.